Good evening, everyone. I am back here with Python programming. Let's do Python on Jupyter Notebook Online. My dear students, I am already aware that you all are doing on ideally Python ideally. I will be telling you how to use Python programming from your browser without downloading anything on your phone, even on your tab, even on your computer, laptop, desktop, by using Jupyter Notebook Online directly on the browser. Here we go. So I will show you how to do this. Just follow me with these steps. I am opening here my browser. See, Google Chrome I am opening, and directly we will be writing our Jupyter here, Jupyter Notebook. I will be giving you every step by step use of Python. Jupyter Notebook Online is here on my screen. I will be clicking on the first one, first link. Now you can see on my screen it's showing this way. You can simply click here, try it in your browser. Try Classic Notebook. Can you see three options are coming, but we are going to do with try Classic Notebook. I am clicking here and here we go. It's about to come. I will show you direct live programming on Jupyter Notebook Online. All of you are requested to do parallelly with me if you have phone, tab, laptop, desktop, anything. Here we are on the Jupyter Notebook screen. Welcome to Jupyter. This is the line for all of us. Let's start. Simply I will be clicking here for insert cell below to write our code. I am clicking on plus. See the prompt of Jupyter Notebook Online. Can you see that? Then here simply I can write any program. I am writing print hello to all. I will be doing in small letters as it is caps on my keyboard. Print good evening everyone. Let's do Python on Jupyter. Let's do Python on Jupyter Notebook Online. Time to run. Simply by clicking on run, I can see the output of this code. So here we have the output of our first program. Good evening everyone. Let's do Python on Jupyter Notebook Online. If you want to run any other thing of Python code, that also it's possible. We have many features, many other different ways of doing Python here without downloading only. Without downloading you can perform. Right now I am doing another program. Let's do one more program. I am going to take your name and I am going to show that. So I am writing here first name equals to input function. Simply all the function of Python ideally are possible here. Input function I am writing here, enter your first name. Now I will be clicking here, then L name, your last name I am asking from the user. Input function is for the user's entry. So I am writing here for the so that when I will be executing my code, I can ask my user to enter the string, because input function is going to get anything in string format. So after this I will be printing print first name and print on same line also we can do. I am doing on different two lines. Can you see this? Here we can include one comment by including hash, write a program to accept and display first and last name of the user. Class 11, 12th and any other class, if you have Python, you can run simply from your phone. I know nowadays during pandemic you all are doing learning from home, and at the same time I am aware that most of you are not having computer, so no need to worry. You can be a programmer by using Jupyter Notebook Online. Let's do the execution of simple code. Can you see it is asking for the first name? So I am going to enter first name. Suppose we are writing Joy. Second name Manon. Any name you can enter. So you can see it is showing first name and last name. Anything you can enter. I have done randomly. So this is the correct way of doing coding online by going to the Jupyter Notebook Online. I hope my explanation for Jupyter Notebook Online are clear to you. If anything enquiry, please feel comfortable to write in the comment box. I will revert back. Thank you everyone. Bye everyone.